The final part of the Normals submenu gives us various options. The copy vector can be used to copy a single split normals data. Then, using paste vector, we can copy that data onto a different vertex, thereby adjusting the direction of its split normal. In practice, this is only used when the split normals have already been merged by using the Shade Smooth option on the selected object. In this example, we'll apply Shade Smooth to a cube. And although that is not normally a useful operation to perform on a cube, its simple shape makes the results achieved more obvious when we copy the details of the split normal on one vertex and paste those details to another. The paste operation also produces a last op panel with a single option labeled Absolute Coordinates. Checking this box redirects the new normal based on the absolute coordinates of the source normal. Generally, this is not a useful option to select. As we've seen in previous videos, smooth shading is achieved by averaging the split normals at each vertex into a single normal. The Smooth Vectors option gives us much greater control over the coming together of the individual split normals at a selected vertex. Using the last op panel's Factor field, we can adjust the degree to which the separate split normals come together. A value of 0 leaves the split normals positions unchanged, whereas a value of 1 performs the complete merge. Reset Vectors resets the split normals to their original position. The final two options in the Normals submenu relate to face strength. The face strength property affects how split normals are merged when used in conjunction with smooth shading, and a modifier named weighted normal, which will be covered in a later video. Skipping on to the final entry in the Normals submenu, Set Face Strength allows us to set the face strength of currently selected faces to strong, medium, or weak. By default, all faces are set as medium. Here we have set two faces on the cube to strong. The preceding entry in the Normals submenu is Select by Face Strength. This allows us to select all faces of a specified weight. For example, we can use this to select all medium strength faces on our cube, or the strong faces.